2024 Channel Hearts 68.7%, 2024 Kyler Murray 68.8%, 2021 Dak Prescott 68.8%, 2020 Russell Wilson 68.8%, 2009 Peyton Manning 68.8%, 2007 Chad Pennington 68.8%, 2007 Tom Brady 68.9%, 2018 Derek Carr 68.9%, 2002 Chad Pennington 68.9%, 2021 Aaron Rodgers 68.9%, 2024 Daniel Daniels 69%, 2020 Teddy Bridgewater 69.1%, 1993 Troy Aikman 69.1%, 2019 Kirk Cousins 69.1%, 2004 Tonto Culpepper 69.2%, 2014 Trubis 69.2%, 2021 Kyler Murray 69.2%, 2020 Josh Allen 69.2%, 2023 Tua Tagovailoa 69.3%, 2004 Brian Kesey 69.3%, 2025 Josh Allen 69.3%, 2025 Brock Purdy 69.4%, 2018 Matt Ryan 69.4%, 2023 Kirk Cousins 69.5%, 2013 Philip Rivers 69.5%, 2023 Dak Prescott 69.5%, 2025 Mac Jones 69.6%, 2018 Carson Wentz 69.6%, 2022 Geno Smith 69.8%, 2016 Matt Ryan 69.9%, 2014 Tony Romo 69.9%, 2016 Trubis 70%, 2018 Kirk Cousins 70.1%, 2020 Deshaun Watson 70.2%, 2019 Ryan Tannehill 70.3%, 1994 Steve Young 70.3%, 1945 Sammy Baugh 70.3%, 2019 Derek Carr 70.4%, 2023 Jack Browning 70.4%, 2021 Joe Burrow 70.4%, 2024 Jimmy Smith 70.4%, 2020 Trubis 70.5%, 1982 Ken Anderson 70.6%, 2024 Joe Barry 70.6%, 2009 Trubis 70.6%, 2020 Aaron Rodgers 70.7%, 2011 Trubis 71.2%, 2024 Baker Mayfield 71.4%, 2016 Sam Bradford 71.6%, 2025 Drake May 72%, 2017 Trubis 72%, 2024 Jared Goff 72.4%, 2019 Trubis 74.3%, 2018 Trubis 74.4%.